Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Signal, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, then click on your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the account, and you can see at the account section the change phone number. So use this to change your current phone number to a new phone number. You can undo this change. Before continuing, make sure your new number can receive SMS or calls. Click on the continue. Then you have to select your old number, I mean the country. After that, type in the old phone number, your new number, I mean from which country, and after that the new phone number. Click on the continue, and then you should be able to change your phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.